Imagine a home where every corner is dust-free, the air feels fresh and cleaning takes just a few minutes instead of hours. Sounds great? Right. Today we are taking a close look at a compact yet powerful cleaning solution, the Kent Duster Vacuum Cleaner 600 watt with a HEPA filter and Cyclone 5 technology. If you are tired of dust settling on your furniture, bookshelves, curtains or electronics, this vacuum cleaner must be exactly what you need. MRP written here 4500 but got the product only at 1900 only. Inside the box pack, as a main unit, you will get the Kent Duster handheld vacuum cleaner with 2-in-1 crevice nozzle, crevice tool, hose and one user manual. This is the user manual cum warranty card. But for online purchase, invoice is more important than warranty card. Among the attached accessories, this is the hose. These are 2-in-1 crevice nozzle and crevice tool. This is the 2-in-1 crevice nozzle. I'll show you how to use these accessories. This small accessory is called crevice tool. This is the Kent Duster handheld vacuum cleaner with purple and black finish. This is lightweight, compact and easy to handle. Kent Duster branding is there, you can see here. This purple button is a locking button for the dust compartment. This comes with a 600 watt motor which delivers strong suction power of 16 kilopascal. Now let's have a closer look on this device. One of the standout feature of this vacuum cleaner is its Cyclone 5 technology. What does that mean for you? Instead of dust clogging the filter quickly, the Cyclone technology creates a powerful swirling motion that separates dust and air efficiently. This helps maintain consistent suction power while also improving the cleaning performance. This is the power cord wrap hook, this one. It has extra long power cord 5 meter for easy maneuvering. Now let's press this locking button to open the dust compartment. Here you can see the HEPA filter. HEPA filters are known for capturing extremely fine particles like dust, pollen and allergens. And yes, HEPA filter is washable. HEPA filter ensures that the air released from the vacuum cleaner is much cleaner and healthier. The hosepipe helps you to reach narrow spaces like under the couch or bed. The 2-in-1 crevice nozzle, here the crevice brush is ideally used for vacuuming carpet, sofas, etc. The crevice tool also helps clean small and hard to reach places easily. We have taken several paper pieces for showing the demo. The Kent Duster comes with a bagless dust container, which means you don't need to keep buying dust bags again and again. Once the container gets full, you simply open it, empty the dust into the bin and it's ready to use again. This makes the vacuum cleaner both cost effective and convenient. Thanks to its versatile attachment and flexible hose, you can clean sofas, curtains, corners, keyboards, shelves and even your car interior with ease. It's not just a floor cleaner, it's a multi-purpose cleaning tool for your entire home. Instead of crevice tool, let's use 2-in-1 crevice nozzle. It will work more effectively. Another advantage is the low noise operation. All these features together make it a practical and affordable cleaning companion for everyday use. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.